What's up, people? Today I've got my kayak and I'm heading out to the bay to do some saltwater fishing. So I've got my kayak and I got one rod. Right now I'm going to probably start out with the top and bottom rig. Got some live bait, probably use bloodworms and peanut bunker, and see if I can't hook up with some flounder or some other fish. Just see what's out there, see how the bite is. Right now it's going to be an outgoing tide when I'm starting, and then I may switch out. There's a pier nearby, and there's actually some pilings left over from when they rebuilt it, and I may get up in there, try to fish that, see if I can't catch some flounder, rock, and some other fish. Alright guys, so all I've done is I've come out there, there's a pier back there, and then what happened was they didn't rebuild the whole thing. So all I've done is just drifted out here, and I'm just come out to the very end of the pier and cast it out. It's a little windy and bumpy today, but I think we'll still manage to be alright. Hopefully we can hook up with something a little bit bigger out here. Let's see how it goes. Alright, we got something here. Doing right. Hard hit right here. First bite of the day, guys. Nice fish, whatever it is. Give me a nice bite right here. See what we got. Oh, they're kingfish, guys. These guys gotta be out here. Right over here. That's fish number one. Fish number one here. This is the kingfish. A real pretty fish. I caught him off the bloodworm. It looks like he got one of my bloodworms, and then I got him. He bit it pretty hard, guys, so that's good. They are out here. Been out here about 15 minutes. It's real windy. I didn't know if I'm going to be able to do it or not, but so we got one on. So get him put in the line well and keep on fishing, guys. Alright guys, good start to the day, guys. Get some more on the board. Say guys about doing this where it's so windy and everything and the boat's just rocking, the kayak's just rocking. He probably got the bloodworm because I wasn't able to tell him the first hit because I got the rod here and it's shaking a little bit, but he did hit it aggressively the second time, so I was able to tell for sure. Hopefully we can hook up with some more. Usually when there's one, there's a good amount, and see what else we can hook up with, guys. Fish on, guys. Another one. Oh, he's trying to go for the. Oh, he's trying to go for the freaking thing there. Another kingfish, guys. Another kingfish. This one's a little bit smaller. But we don't have a size limit here at Delaware for him. I will let this one go just because he's so little. Second one of the day, but I'm going to let him go. Hopefully we can hook up a little bit bigger ones. Alright people, we got two fish on. Let's see if we can keep it. Catch some more, catch a couple bigger ones so we can keep them. And then maybe we'll target a different species. What I'm using is a top and bottom rig, and then I've just got size 2 hooks. They're pretty small hooks. You want to use smaller hooks. especially for when you're out here, because kingfish they're really hard to detect and hard to catch on bigger hooks. And then there's kingfish, croaker, and spot as well. They're all in the drum family, all pretty similar to each other. We have northern and southern kingfish here. They're also referred to as whiting in some areas. I know in some places like Florida, the kingfish is like a king mackerel, but a little bit different here, not very big fish. They got bloodworms on the top and bottom rig. I know there's probably maybe some rockfishes around here, some striped bass. So we'll see what else is around here. And there's basically the bridge just extend out here. It's be a little bit further out, and they decided just to shorten it, and then they just left the pilings out here, which is good for structure for fish and whatnot. And it's good for kayakers like us, so I can just come out here and just tie it up, and then that way I don't have to sit there and fight the wind the whole time. It's a little bit easier on me. Still a little bit rough, but you know, I can deal with it at least. And it's alright, we are catching fish. We got 2 fish, probably been about 20-25 minutes. We got 2 fish on. Let's see if we can't hook up with something bigger, guys. There, guys, he did not want to come in. What in the heck is this? I'm not really too sure. You guys comment below. I've never caught one of these. First time ever catching it. It's like an eel. He's like an eel, man. Weird looking little fish. Always something new to catch out here, guys. Get him back. Release that guy and get another bloodworm on. Let's keep fishing, guys. Alright, people. Well, the wind and the tide has really picked up, guys. It's gotten very dangerous out here. I mean, the waves are really breaking me pretty hard, hitting the kayak pretty hard every time, and it's more than just unfishable. It's unsafe at this point to be out here in the kayak. It's white capping a lot, and at this point I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day, guys. I did catch the 3 fish. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button so that way that you stay tuned for all the videos I got coming out, guys. It was an enjoyable day out here. You know, it was a little bit rougher than what I had hoped, and it's getting really bad, guys. Like I said, it's just really plumbing me here, just plumbing me against it. Really not fishable at this point. There's a thunderstorm coming in here soon in about an hour, so that's why the winds are really picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here and see you guys next time.